If you want to know how to send a CC mail in Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can copy people into an email the right way, whether you're sending a work update, a team message, or a quick note to multiple recipients. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. This will take you to your inbox, where you can start a new message. Now, look for the Compose button and click it. A new email window will appear. This is where you'll write and send your message. Next, in the To field, enter the main recipient's email address. This is the person who should be the primary recipient of the email. If you're sending something to one main person and want others to be copied in, this is the first step. After that, look to the right side of the To field and click CC. CC stands for carbon copy, and it allows you to send a copy of the email to additional recipients. When you click it, a new CC field will appear. Now type in the email addresses of the people you want to copy on the message. You can add one email address or multiple addresses depending on who needs to be included. This is especially useful when you want certain people to stay informed without making them the main recipient. Once the recipient fields are filled out, add your subject line. Keep it clear and short so the recipient knows what the email is about right away. Then type your message in the body of the email. Make sure your message is complete, professional, and easy to understand. If needed, you can also add attachments before sending. Before you hit send, take one final look at the To field and the CC field to make sure the correct email addresses are entered. It's always a good idea to double check, especially if you're sending to coworkers, clients, or important contacts. When everything looks good, click send. Gmail will deliver the email to the main recipient, and everyone in the CC field will receive a copy as well. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a CC mail in Gmail. It's a simple process once you know where the CC option is, and it can save you time when you need to keep multiple people in the loop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Gmail tutorials and other step-by-step software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.